Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Iron Man's Mark 46 helmet from Civil War. Let's get started in the center of our page with a short horizontal line. Starting from the left, just going to go straight across over towards the right. From the ends, I want to draw two short angled lines going up and then out. We're going to go back to the side and draw a short angled line coming down and out. Now from the top left, I want to draw a straight angle line going up and out towards the side of the eye. So it's got a slight angle going up. Now we're going to do the same thing on the right. So on the top line, we're going to go up and then out. From the ends, I'm going to come down and out towards the edge of the eye. Then we're going to draw a short angled line coming down and in. From the left side, we're going to come in at an angle. Same thing on the right side. Now we're just going to connect this end to the inside with a straight line. Let's add the inside bevel of the eye. So from this point, I'm going to draw a short straight line coming in. Now I'm going to take that same angled line and go up underneath the eyelid, and we'll do the same thing along the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from this point, we're going to draw a short straight line. We're going to angle in and up and then down. Now that we've drawn in the eyes, we're going to work our way around the side of the helmet. So let's start with the inside point. We're going to draw a straight vertical line going up. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now from these ends, I want to curve out and then up towards the top of the head. Starting on the left, go out and then pull that up. Now you can see that I'm directly above the left eye. We're going to do the same thing on the right. Going out towards the right, and we're going to pull that up to the same height that we have on the left. Let's take these ends and draw two angle lines going up and in. Now we're going to draw two angle lines coming down and in, but I just want to overlap that line. So we're going to step out, angle inwards. Do the same thing on the right. So stepping out, angle down and into the same height. We're going to connect those 2 points with a straight line. Now from the top, we're going to work our way back towards the eye. So we take this point, follow that same angle line, going out and down. And then from this point, I'm going to start by coming straight down and then curve in towards the top corner of the eye. Start by coming straight down, about halfway we're going to curve it in. And from the bottom edge of this eye, I just want to continue this line with a short line going out. Now we're going to connect the top here towards the bottom with a straight angle line. Go back to the bottom down here. I'm going to draw a short angled line going outwards on both sides. And then from here, I'm going to curve in and then down towards the chin. I'm going to leave a large gap in the center here. So let's start on the left. I'm going to curve in. Now right here, I'm just going to pull it straight down. I'm going to leave a large gap. I'm going to move over towards the right, curving in, and then I'm just going to pull that down towards the same height. Let's connect these 2 points with a straight line going across. Now before I continue with the chin, let's move back up and finish off the top of the head. So we're going to take this curve and just continue up with a straight line to right about there. We're going to do the same thing on the right side, same length. Now I'm going to connect this point to the corner of the cheek with a curve. So starting at the top, we're going to curve it out and then we'll pull it straight down. Now we're going to connect these 2 points with another curve for the top of the head. Starting on the left, we're going to curve up. I'm going to start to bring it down towards the right side. From the bottom corner of the chin, we're going to draw two angle lines coming down and out. Now let's cap off the bottom. We're going to connect these 2 points with another straight line. Now going back towards the cheek, we're going to draw 2 short angle lines coming down and in. Right about there. Now we're going to move back down and draw on the edge of the chin and the mouth. So taking this line, we're going to step up, draw another line going across for the edge of the chin. Then we're going to step up again and just draw the edge seam of the mouth. Now from the ends of the mouth, I'm going to draw 2 short angle lines coming down and out. And then we're going to go back up with a short line. Now going back towards the cheek, I want to follow that same curve coming in, and as we get on top of this point, we're going to pull it straight down. So going across. Now right here, we're going to go straight down. Do the same thing on the right, following that same curve, going in. Now right here, we're going to pull it straight down. From this point, we're going to draw a short angle line going out on both sides. And then we're going to pull this down and then in. From here, we're going to do a hard turn coming in, so a flatter angled line. Just a short line coming in. Now I'm going to connect that point to the bottom of the chin with a straight angled line. Now we're going to tuck the lower part of the jaw in behind the cheek. So from this point, we're going to step in and just follow that same angled line, coming down to right about here. Now we're going to do the same thing on the right, stepping in, just follow that same angled line, coming down to the same height. Now we're going to connect that point to the bottom of the chin with a straight line. Let's take this corner down here, just follow that same angle going up and out. We're going to leave a gap on the side. Now we're going to follow that same line going up underneath the cheekbone. Now we're going to draw the inside edge of the jaw. From this point, we're going to angle up and in on both sides. Now I'm just going to follow that same angle going up underneath the cheek. Now from that bottom point, I'm going to come down and in. Do the same thing on the right, going up and out. Then from the bottom, we'll come down and then in. Now let's go and add the vents to the side of the helmet. So from this point, we're going to step up, draw an angled line coming down and out. Do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to come down and in, leaving a gap along the bottom. And we're just going to pull this straight across in behind the helmet. Now I'm just going to trace this out along the outside, stepping up, leaving an even spaced gap. Now we're going to come down and in to right about here. Now we're going to angle this in behind the cheek. Let's do the same thing on the right, stepping up, come down at an angle, pull that down and in behind the cheek, and that's pretty much it. There's the Iron Man Mark 46 helmet from Civil War. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.